What's up, guys? Thank you for joining today. And today we have a lot to talk about. As always, there is a lot of XRP news, guys. As you can see here, the price is 1.36, and today I want to do some technical analysis with you guys and check where we are headed next. And everyone I know is waiting for that next move, and it takes so long. But this is actually the time that people are selling and panicking. And this is what you have to understand. You have to hold XRP because you believe in the utility and the power that it holds. If you just hold it for fast gains, you will not be able to be patient. This is the most important thing. And it's actually with any cryptocurrency. If you're holding it for short-term gains, you will always end up losing. Maybe you will make some money, but you will not have that effective investment and return on investment rate that you expected, because you are looking at short-term gains. But we XRP holders, we know that XRP long-term can go to 3 digits or even 4 digits, and that is why we are not panicking in these moments. Even if XRP drops to $1, even if XRP drops back to 50 cents, I am still holding it. I will not sell it because I know the potential of XRP and I already made my decision. So just a quick heads up about that, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. You would do me a huge favor. Thank you very much. Let's dig into some technical analysis. Now, as you can see here, this is a beautiful chart, guys. This is healthy because we went up very fast and very quick. So the price is actually breathing now. This is what you call a flag. It's a more steep flag, but it's still a flag because of the price movement is walking like this sideways. So a lot of people are panicking because they don't know what to expect and they don't know what's going on. The price dropped 40%. It's okay, guys. There is nothing going on and we are still on track. We actually did a nice retest here, made a double bottom, and I am expecting price to move from here. So I don't expect that price will go back down. What I expect is that price will go up from here because we made this nice double bottom. We are flagging here now, and then boom, we shoot up. That's what I'm expecting, guys, but who knows what will happen in the end. So let's dig in some news and let's dig in some interesting stuff that we got here. I have a nice video here, guys, of this guy. He's talking about a bridge currency like XRP. Let's take a look.
Seen almost every bank doing some sort of blockchain activity. So I think activities are going on everywhere, and everyone is clear that the technology is too important to ignore. Now the question, what does success mean, or how do you approach that? From our experience, the best approach is we have seen almost.
Now he actually talks that a lot of companies are starting to wake up and use blockchain technology. And we know that XRP is going to be the bridge currency because of the efficiency of the technology. Now let's take a look here. Brett Garlinghouse, let's take a look what he says.
Even here in the US, the Department of Justice has viewed XRP as a currency, and the Department of Treasury has viewed XRP as a currency. Even here in the US, the Department of Justice.
Can you hear that, guys? These are different departments that already said that XRP is a cryptocurrency and not a security. This is just huge because we are just waiting now for a decision, but it's already there. We already know the decision, and XRP is not a security. Here you can clearly see that the Treasury declared XRP as a security, as a non-security, as a currency. So this is actually huge news, guys. And Brett Garlinghouse said it himself. So we are just waiting for a decision. This is a huge interview by Thinking Crypto. Go watch it on his YouTube channel. It's amazing. So let's take a look what Brett Garlinghouse says.
Here, given that we have this lawsuit, we have a neutral party of the judge in place, Gary Gensler coming in, what would be your ideal outcome?
Well, I mean, my ideal outcome or my pragmatic outcome. I mean, look, and I've seen actually people on Twitter talk about this. I want closure. I want clarity. For people who have followed this before the lawsuit, I've been saying for at least a couple of years that we have lacked clarity in the United States. In contrast, you've got major economies around the world, like the UK, like Japan, like Switzerland, like Singapore. I mean, these are not, really small economies. These are big economies with robust government infrastructure that have provided the clarity that have allowed entrepreneurs, that have allowed those that would choose to speculate in digital assets to do so with that clarity and certainty. And here in the United States, we haven't had that. And so, someone had said, well, maybe I'm quoting a Twitter tweet roughly, someone had said, well, if they walk away from the case, we won't have the certainty we've been looking for. Maybe we want to keep the case, we want to get to the closure. And I kind of agree with that. If we've been asking for that for 2 or 3 years, we're now, for better or for worse, we're on a path to get it. And
Guys, Brett Garlinghouse has been saying from the beginning that the United States has no clarity, as if he knows that this SEC lawsuit was coming. And also the CTO, David Schwartz, was actually talking a lot about clarity and regulation, and they always hammered on it and that they don't have it. So actually they're holding back, because you cannot really do business in a good way if there is no regulatory clarity in the United States, because Ripple is in the end based in the United States. Although 95% of business they are doing it outside the US, but still, this means that Brett Garlinghouse, he wants that closure so they can start bridging all these currencies, guys. This is what is going on, and people cannot see that. People are buying Dogecoin and SafeMoon because they're being distracted, guys. And this is, if you're holding XRP, you are so lucky, guys. You have to really understand that. So let's take a look at the Flare airdrop. So is Flare airdrop to XRP holders taxable? Here's what Ripple CTO says. Maybe it's just a heads up, guys, and this is important to know because there's taxes and everything. So how would Flare airdrop be taxed? According to Mr. Yoga, Flare airdrop to XRP holders should be taxed pursuant to IRS ruling 2019-2024, the document that clarifies the rules of taxation of income related to digital asset airdrops and hard forks. Now, guys, I am not living in the US, so I don't know exactly what this means, but you have to be careful with the tax. So this is actually just a heads up, because the Flare airdrop is actually free money, guys. You're getting the same amount of XRP, and Flare is almost $2 now, so it's amazing, guys. Just be ready for that and think about that. It's gonna be huge. 64% of US adults are interested in crypto, new survey shows. This just shows, guys, that everyone is doing crypto and is busy with crypto, and this is a huge thing because it's making different moves than in 2017. And that's why I think this time will be different. Maybe there will be a crash, but it will be different, guys, because financial institutions, big companies are now also using cryptocurrencies and investing in them. So it's gonna be different. Nearly 2/3 of adults in the United States are interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, or holding them soon, according to a new survey. Guys, this just means that we are so early in cryptocurrency, because I bet you, I saw so many comments, guys, people don't even know what is cryptocurrency. We are so early, and you can see how many people are interested and actually want to buy crypto. So this is just the beginning, guys. This is nothing, and prices will shoot up like crazy. Still, we are still early, so don't forget that. The survey also identified the potential growth of female crypto investors, which make up just 26% of current crypto holders, according to Gemini's estimations. According to the survey, more women than men indicated a willingness to get into crypto soon, making up 53% of crypto curious respondents interested in investing in crypto. Can you see that we are just in the beginning of investing in crypto, guys? And you should be very thankful for that. Governments can stop Bitcoin by shutting down mining, says Electric Capital exec. Now this is why Bitcoin is a little bit dangerous. So this happened in China. The electricity went out and Bitcoin dropped a lot, and it has to do with it. So here you can see that Bitcoin can just be stopped if there is no electricity, if basically if the mining is not working. because it makes up all the liquidity and all the amounts of blocks and stuff. So this is actually something we have to think about when you invest in Bitcoin, guys. Just a heads up again, I have nothing against Bitcoin. I like Bitcoin, but you should be careful with it because it's not the best cryptocurrency out there. Look at what happened in Xinjiang. You could shut down the Bitcoin mining network actually pretty quickly, especially in the US, stopped all the US miners, Kazakhstan stopped all the miners there. That kind of shuts down 80 to 90% of the hash rate pretty quickly. I think the fact that Bitcoin is still here means governments are supportive. He means if you shut down, if governments decided to shut it down, guys, it will be shut down. And it's a big problem for cryptocurrency in general, but especially for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at this. Jeremy Hogan, I just finished a video on Attorney Deaton's motion to intervene. Guys, you should watch this. This is amazing. Look what he's saying. Jeremy, listen to your YouTube video on John Deaton's motion and intervene. Really well done. This is a comment. He's saying that the video is very good, guys. I really recommend that you go and check it. So I don't see SEC backtracking on that if they realize the lawsuit against the execs was a mistake. You'll see a settlement with them, not a straight dismissal. So he's actually saying that we will not see a straight dismissal of the case because Brett Garlinghouse is waiting. He asked to dismiss the case, but now also because the XRP holders intervened, we can get a quick decision, guys. And this is just what we are waiting for now. We need clarity. We need to know what's going to happen. Crypto markets may not be in alt season, but they likely are in an altcoin bull market. Now we know that alt season started and many altcoins are being bought. Now check this. While crypto markets may not truly be in alt season yet, Lily says that they are expecting a bull run. This occurs when investors are more likely to walk further out on the risk curve of crypto versus simply buying Bitcoin. So because a lot of people saw that Bitcoin went up a lot, look at this. Specifically, CoinShares weekly digital asset fund flows report showed that $33 million had been placed into XRP investment products just this week, increasing the total XRP based AUM to 83 million. So a lot of people saw that Bitcoin is up a lot now, and now we have institutions looking more at other opportunities and other cryptocurrencies, and you can see that only XRP has made this much money in just a short term, and with the SEC lawsuit ongoing. Additionally, there is evidence that money may be flowing into altcoins from new sources. For example, Cointelegraph reported that institutional investors have rallied around XRP this past week, evidenced by a nearly 100% increase in XRP investment product AUM. You can see, guys, institutions know what's coming and they know that crypto is the future. So be ready, guys, be ready because it's almost time. Thank you for watching the video and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, guys. Cheers.